So what was the honest #1 reason why you started YouTube? Like you probably watched a YouTube video, right? Or
what was the honest reason why I started YouTube?
Yeah.
Because I watched a video, and I told these cats about this a long time ago, man. I watched a video from you remember Aaron?
Yeah.
No, not Aaron. Noah from Phone Dog.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So I watched the Noah from Phone Dog video. This is probably like 2006. I watched the video about a Windows phone, and he was like, "Yo, this shit is hot and all that." So I was like, "All right, cool." So my man worked at Sprint, and he could get the phones, on the side. But you don't get a warranty or nothing. You just gotta buy the shit full price. So I watched the video, and this nigga was like, "Yo, this phone is a go and all that." So I was like, "All right, cool. Let me get that, yeah." Man, I got that shit. That shit was whack, yeah. I got the phone, that shit was whack, yeah. And I was like, yo, I just watched the video and this dude said the shit was hot, but the shit was whack. I didn't know that at the time that, that people was getting phones to review and all that. I didn't know about that. So I was like, yo, the next phone that come out, rather than, because I could have just went on his video and talked shit like, yo, you don't know what you're talking about, this is mad whack. But I was like, nah, I'm gonna just make my own opinion, yeah. And if you watch my old videos, man, that's all the shit was, yo. Just giving my own opinion, yeah. This shit right here?
Yeah.
What up?
Abdul?
Let me slide out.
Max.
All right, so you fuck with Get, G-E-T-T?
Yeah.
I never heard of that before, yeah. Why they don't advertise like that? Because Get is the one that you could pay for the stops and all that.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. I got a special guest, Max Lee, the legend, y'all know. And we got the Ciroc Summer Colada, brand new flavor. Now, y'all seen me post this on Instagram. Everybody wanted me to do a live taste test. So, Max in the building. We're gonna taste it live, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so Max, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, so let's go. No chaser, we just want, first let me do the smell test. Smells like pina colada. Smell like pina colada. What do you think?
Yeah, it smells like pina colada.
All right. Now, so far, for y'all cats that drink Ciroc, it kind of smells just like coconut Ciroc. I don't know, man. We got to taste it and see if there's a difference. But right now, Diddy might just be throwing some coconut Ciroc in a different bottle, trying to make some money. I ain't mad, though, but we'll see.
It's actually, smells like, let's just taste it.
Smells like a pina colada a little bit. It does.
All right, thanks for the hospitality.
Always a pleasure, man. Always a pleasure. Y'all seen the pinky up? Woo. Okay, a little afterburn on this. All right, you see we gotta get the pinky up. All right, let me see. Now, I'm a Ciroc connoisseur. Y'all know that. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This kind of tastes like coconut Ciroc. I don't really taste the difference. Tastes like coconut Ciroc, which is not one of my favorite flavors. Now I could probably mix this with pineapple juice or something. What do you think about this?
It's pretty strong.
Yeah. All right. Now, look.
It comes like that. You didn't mix it?
I didn't mix it. Nothing. Now a lot of people were saying like summertime flavor. It seemed like something you're just gonna drink without a mixer. I would say no. All right. You're gonna need some pineapple juice with this. Let me try again. Let me see. Yeah, this is not, well, maybe the first one was probably strong. I took a big sip. But I would definitely mix this with some pineapple or maybe some lemonade, mango lemonade, something different. This is not something that you want to drink straight though. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But it tastes like coconut Ciroc. It tastes exactly like coconut Ciroc. Max, I don't know if you fuck with coconut Ciroc. To be honest though, this shit tastes exactly like coconut Ciroc. And they was making it seem like you could just drink this shit. Like Diddy had an Instagram video. He was like, it tastes like a nutcracker. This shit don't taste like no nutcracker. This shit tastes like a coconut Ciroc. Would have been good with some pineapple juice though. With pineapple juice, it probably would have been banging. Now normally when I do the taste test videos, I have like 5 different mixers, and I'll taste it with pineapple juice, then taste it with, Coke and Sprite, and try to, figure out what's the best mix. Brand new. That's what I'm saying. Like, this is a brand new flavor, but it tastes exactly like coconut Ciroc. Doesn't taste different. That's what I'm saying. That Diddy just put a new bottle on coconut Ciroc and call it a name. I don't really like coconut Ciroc that much. This one is a little bit better because it has a little hint of pineapple. Normally when I do these kind of videos, I will have like 5 mixers and I have like the little shot glasses. Mix it with some lemonade, Sprite, Coke, and see which one tastes the best. I don't think nobody gonna drink this shit straight, but I will though if I had to. It's a little bit harsh. Like you could probably sip this, you know, if you want to sip it slow. But if you're trying to get drunk off this, you're gonna have to mix this with some pineapple. You give this to the ladies, they not drinking this shit. They not drinking this shit straight. I guarantee you that. Diddy was making it sound like this tastes like a nutcracker. No. You ever had a nutcracker?
Nutcracker?
Yeah, it's You ever see those guys selling drinks that already pre-made? It looks like a little, like the old school bottles of milk, but people have them in their trunk. They make them at home and then they go and sell them.
Oh.
So they call it nutcracker. So it's more like, they sell them in the summertime. It's like pina colada, different flavors.
It's like a homemade stuff.
Like a homemade drink, yeah.
No, I've had people offer me stuff, yeah.
So in Harlem, the nutcrackers is famous because they kind of taste like a pina colada. So you just buy one, the guy usually sell for $5. You buy it, drink 1 or 2, you get out. So he was trying to make it sound like this was his inspiration, because you know Diddy's from Harlem, so he was like he tried to make it like this is inspiration, but I think he just put coconut Ciroc in a white bottle and changed the name and said people gonna buy it because it's new. And
wait, is Diddy part of the owners or something?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, he's like the main spokesman.
Oh, okay.
For Ciroc, yeah. So whenever there's a new flavor, he's on Instagram and hyping it up, and everybody go out and get it. Like the last one I did that video for that grapefruit, it never came out in New York. It only came out in the UK. So one of my subscribers, I sent her some money and she sent it from the UK. That's why when I did the video, everybody's like, "Where you get it from? You can't get it out here. You gotta get it. You can't even. You're not really supposed to ship it." So she put it in a box with a whole bunch of candy. She basically smuggled it, and that one was whack too. That one was whack too. I like the regular ones. I mean, I would buy this again, definitely though. But I'll just mix it with pineapple juice or maybe pineapple soda. Like the shit I bought in earlier, it was like pineapple soda.
Okay.
Like that tastes alright. Tasting it plain though, you know, if you don't got nothing else, then you got to do what you do. I wouldn't give it a thumbs down. I would give it like a thumbs sideways. Like it's maybe if I had some pineapple juice, it would have been so much. Like pineapple juice would probably make this taste good. You know how long it took me, man, before I got rid of my old camera? I only got rid of my old camera because I noticed that everybody, even like young cats coming out, bullshit videos, everybody's video looked better than mine. I was like, I gotta get a new camera. The thing is too, but before I was using the old school camera and it was picking up a lot of, I was using the old school camera with the internal mic. So it was picking up a lot of the internal, the lot of the sound from the outside. So that's why, like, when my videos start, you hear like all the wind and noise, everything. I was like, I need a better mic here. Come to find out, man, I didn't even have to spend all this cash for this shit yet.
So Floss has this camera. I'm actually recording with it now. If you take a look, it's a 4K camera. When did you buy it?
Bought this maybe last year.
Last year.
About last year.
It's a 4K JVC. Pretty
shit.
Awesome camera. Pro version.
That's what I'm saying. Like I was, something I normally don't do. Read Amazon reviews. I normally don't do that. But everybody was like, yo, if you trying to make a movie, get this one. So I was like, I'm not trying to make a movie, but let me just get the best one. Meanwhile, I haven't touched one button.
This guy had it at f4, which means he's been, not utilizing the whole lens.
Yeah, all right, so now when I want to use the lavalier mic, all I got to do is put that back on input.
Yeah.
But I need to try one with the shotgun, especially when some new shit come out. You got to go back and update the links here. Like right now, everybody getting ready to get, like, yo, you gonna see these S7 videos. Watch how they gonna start popping right now, because everybody that trading in the S7 for the S8, there's a lot of people that got an S6 that's just gonna be getting the S7. I notice every year that happens, man, with iPhones. Like when iPhone 7 came out, all of a sudden everybody on the iPhone 6 videos again.
Click here to subscribe. 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 Subscribe.